Stock markets are modestly weaker this morning, with U.S. equity futures trading slightly lower following mixed data out of Europe and Australia. As I speak to you right now, all three major U.S. indexes are just below the flat line, with the Russell down 0.64%. Australian construction work came in flat at 0.0% overnight. German unemployment surprised to the upside, rising by 34,000 workers versus expectations for a rise of only 12 and a prior increase of 4,000. Precious metals are mixed, with gold holding just above unchanged while silver and copper trade lower. The U.S. dollar is slightly higher and Treasury yields continue to tick up across the curve. The 10-year yield is up 6 basis points to 4.49, while the 2s10s yield curve spread remains unchanged at 51 basis points. Oil is catching a bid up 1.4% ahead of this morning's OPEC no decision on production. They schedule a new meeting for Saturday among the 8 core members, eyeing a potential decision to continue to phase monthly output increases in. The discussion centers around another 411,000 barrel increase per day for July, mirroring the adjustments already decided for May and June. Today's indecision has lifted WTI crude oil by about 1.4% as I speak to you right now. This afternoon, the market will comb through the latest FOMC minutes, looking for any mention of tariff and trade impacts, as well as forward guidance on short-term rate direction from the Fed. With yields on the rise and geopolitical tensions still simmering, even small signals from the Fed could shift sentiment. Looking ahead, we'll hear from New York Fed President John Williams later today, alongside a $70 billion auction of 5-year Treasury notes. After the bell, we get earnings from 16 firms with market caps over $1 billion, including NVIDIA, Salesforce, HP, and C3AI. Tomorrow before the open, big retail release of earnings, including Best Buy, Burlington Stores, Bath & Body Works, Foot Locker, and Kohl's, also Hormel Foods. Tomorrow we get U.S. jobless claims, an estimate of Q1 GDP, pending home sales, along with remarks from Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey and San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly.